Hello friends, Jai Mata Di. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, my beautiful, wonderful YouTube family and the English listeners. I hope you all are doing it absolutely incredible. And if you're watching this right now, I want you to take a deep breath because this isn't just another video scrolling through your feed. It's an appointment with the divine today. Today I'm going to share the secret master key with you, and I guarantee you that no matter how big, impossible or distant your goal feels right now, it will definitely manifest. Have you ever noticed something? I know most of us have must have experienced this. You sleep for a longer period or you wake up suddenly, or you sleep on unusual timings, maybe afternoon, and suddenly wake up feeling grumpy and irritable. You go to the kitchen trying to make some tea or coffee for yourself, and suddenly your coffee or tea spills now. In the morning at times when you wake up late maybe, and you are going to the office, you hit every red light on the way to work. You will find traffic when there is usually none on the other days, and finally you reach your office late. Your boss gets annoyed, colleagues look sarcastically at you, and people who are usually nice to you, they suddenly start an argument with you unnecessarily. Now, why do they do this? That's because your vibration was low. You were an energetic magnet for bad luck. Your thoughts are not just whispers, they are frequencies. What you feel inside is what the world reflects back to you like a mirror. So we all live in a world of instant gratification. We want our food delivered. What do we do nowadays? We want our food delivered in 10 minutes, our videos to be shorts like 15-second reels, and our dreams to happen overnight. If we pray today, we want the results, miracles to happen tomorrow itself. I've seen people wearing Kamya Kavach for love and attraction. They wear it today, and after 1 week they'll say, "Kuch nahi hua abhi tak." Arey Baba, wait. Let the magic work on in its own time. I've been practicing this myself for years and already shared and taught to many of you and seen the results. There were times when I used to look at my dreams and used to think, oh my God, is this going to take decades? Will this ever happen? I used to feel like things were miles away. But then when I learned this from my spiritual guide in Australia, I applied this specific trick with total surrender and saw that the results happened in a very short period. And you know what? Goals that I thought would take years to complete happened in very few months. I was shocked. I was literally thinking how, and found that the truth is the universe is always listening to us. It's just that we have not been speaking the right language. I've been guiding so many people through it and have seen miracles happen in their bank accounts, their finances, their shops, their business growth, their relationships, their career, even in my own spiritual life. And today I'm handing this secret magical key over to all of you in an open platform. So where does the problem lie? Why is it not working for you if you have been manifesting things for long? It's as simple as that as children we all have been reprogrammed with negativity. Think what had been told to us. Money doesn't grow on trees. पैसा पेड़ पे नहीं उगता है. Be realistic. Don't dream too big or you will be disappointed. We were not allowed to dream big. You were a diamond but you were chained. But today onwards, you have to start breaking free of all those chains. Some people may think that these are all fairy tales and magic doesn't work at all. But I say it does. In my life, it has happened, and I believe 100% that it's going to work for you too. Some say manifestation is nonsense, but I say it works. If you believe miracles happen, and I'm sure many of you would have definitely experienced it, it's all about your positive mindset, your perspective, how you look at life, what you manifest. And yes, the universe is not bound by time. It takes its own time to let the magic happen in your own life. Time is what? Only a human-made illusion. That 5 million, that dream home, that soulmate that already exists in your quantum field. They are available right now too. The only reason you don't have them is that your vibration is not matching with them. You are trying to listen to 98.3 FM while your radio is tuned to 91.9 FM. So what you need to know is you need to tune your frequency to the success station and what you need, your manifestations, and I'll teach you how to do it. So no excuses. Let us begin today or maybe tomorrow. I'll tell you exactly what you have to do for the next 21 days. No excuses. Get a dedicated diary. Buy a beautiful journal for yourself that makes you feel special. And write your goal in the present tense command. That means you must write your goal as if it has already happened, and it is already, your dream is already begun, it is already yours. You can manifest anything you want to. Maybe you want a $5 million in your bank. Maybe I'm 100% sure that I'm happily married to the love of my life. Remember, these are various kind of manifestations. You can already visualize that your shop is already filled up with lots of customers. Your plant, you have a factory and it's already working, and you've got many orders over the load, and so many things. Whatever your goal is, you want to crack some exam and you are already an IAS officer, so you can manifest anything you feel like. This is vital. Do not use your phone or laptop to write it. Write in your journal with your choice of pen. And when you write with your hand, you activate a physical neurological connection. Remember how the teachers said in school. Write it down to remember it. When you write, you imprint the goal into your subconscious mind, and write that one sentence not just once, 21 times. And this has to go on for the next 21 days. Every single day you need to write that one sentence 21 times, and feel that you write, because writing is the body and feeling is the soul. Feel what you write. After you finish writing your 21 lines, close your diary, close your eyes for 10 minutes and enter the zone. Feel the soul of what you have written, as if it has already happened, and think that you already have the money you want. Feel the weight of it. Visualize it. How does your walk change when you are a millionaire? What kind of dress you are going to wear when you are a millionaire? If you are under debt, karja chada hai, then feel your debts are all being cleared, and feel how you are relaxed. How does your voice sound when you are confident, when you are debt free? Feel the relief in your heart when you marry the person you love. It takes only 10 minutes. You must borrow that future happiness and bring it into this very, very moment today. Don't say, I'll be happy when it happens. That keeps the happiness in future. Feel the joy now, and the universe will rush to match that feeling with a physical reality. And keep doing this for the next 21 days. And when you cross that 21-day mark, you will see your mindset has already shifted. It takes that long to break an old habit and form a new neural pathway. So around day 10 or maybe 12, you might feel like giving up. Don't. That's just your old negative self fighting for the survival, and then suddenly you will get an out of the blue idea for a business maybe, or if you have been wanting your love for, or your long lost friend maybe, they will call you definitely and express their love towards you, or maybe contact you with an opportunity. You will meet someone maybe in a coffee shop, or maybe your favorite restaurant, who has the exact answer you were looking for. So you may call it a miracle. Maybe suddenly some miracle or chamatkar is going to happen in your life, but it's not just a miracle. I call it alignment. When you move towards the universe moves towards you, and you easily manifest what you want and fulfill your dreams easily. And it's just 10 minutes each day. And if you say, I'm very busy, I can't spare these 10 minutes for my dreams for next 21 days, then friends, you are still not ready for the miracle to happen in your life. And if you are already ready to take this miraculous challenge, declare it to the universe right now while listening to the video. Say aloud 3 times, I'm ready to change my life in 21 days. Say, I'm ready to change my life in 21 days. Say, I'm ready to change my life in 21 days. And you may also go to the comment section now and type it, I'm ready to change my life in 21 days. By typing this, you are making your first physical move towards your new reality, and let's create a chain of positivity. Friends, I've started this chain, and now you need to share this video with one person you love in your life who really needs to come out of the worst situation, or maybe a difficult situation he or she is in at present. So stay connected, keep sharing and growing this chain. In my next video, I'll teach you how to handle your negative inner voices which is trying to stop your manifestation. Until then, stay happy, stay vibrating high, and remember, everything you want is already looking for you. सो मैं कहती हूँ ना कि खुदा उनकी मदद करता है जो स्वयं खुद अपनी मदद करते हैं। इसलिए आई विल सी यू सून इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो। टिल देन जय माता दी, बम बम भोलेनाथ की।